Hey, it's Andre from The Art Button, a website to make AI art. Today, I want to talk about consistency in generated art assets. Let's say you have this cool sci-fi knight. It has this neat space helmet. I got this image after spending some time working with the prompt, generating a bunch of images and picking the best one. Link in the description. It's pretty cool and you can use it as a profile picture in game or something like that. But what we want is progression. We want several armor spacesuits. Here, I'm using a program called Figma, but you can use any program like Photoshop or even a simple drawer on the website. I'm going to generate several consistent image-to-image templates. For the first helmet, I want to make it less angry and more rounded. For the next progression, I want to remove these fangs and make the helmet just plain. For the next one, I want to add these stripes and maybe make the helmet even angrier by adding a nose guard. For the last template, I want to make it look cool. I add sunglasses, horns, and spikes. I also went back and added a little horn to the previous one and removed the shoulder pads and the emblem in the center of the first one. Now there's a clear progression between the four armors. Next, I just put them into the art button and run. I'm using the same prompt and keeping the image strength pretty high. Remember, with AI generated images, you always want a lot of them. It's much easier to discard images than it is to specify exactly what you want. You also want the AI to use its imagination for its full power. After generating a lot of images and curating, here are the ones I liked. You can see the first one is pretty plain, but the AI added these funny looking ear things. Second one, again, is just how I want it, without the fangs, plain armor. Next one is with the fangs, but the AI combined the nose guard with the spikes on top. I love it. Next one came out super cool as well. It integrated the sunglasses and the horns. And look at the spikes. It's pretty cool. This is exactly what I want. A clear progression and consistency between the art assets. All by spending 5 minutes drawing some image-to-image templates and generating a bunch of images. Please subscribe to this channel and try out the art button. Link in the description.